Plagiarism is one of the most dangerous problems in college. If your teacher finds a plagiarism percentage 1 point higher than the maximum, their internal siren will start playing and they will fail your paper, kick you out of their class and expel you from your college. Well, maybe those last things aren't real, but the first part is. Plagiarism is super important and the best way to avoid it is with a plagiarism checker. Here are a few options you can consider. First, we have Grammarly. They are a real lifesaver, a super complete writing app with advanced features, including a plagiarism checker. Grammarly instantly checks every document you run through to find copied content and gives you a plagiarism report that points out which parts you need to change. And the best thing is that Grammarly has a free version that lets you access its most important features, including its plagiarism detector. But if you want to learn more about their premium plan and the advanced writing tools it includes, you can watch our in-depth review. You've heard of it before. It's any professor's favorite plagiarism checker. We have Turnitin. Universities use Turnitin to detect citation mistakes or inappropriate copying, and usually you'll find it integrated into the assignment tool in your online classroom. There even is a chance that your portal has a draft section where you can test your academic paper before submitting the assignment. After that, you will receive a matching percentage indicating the plagiarism score in your essay. If your score is over 20 or 25%, you need to significantly edit your paper to lower your high percentage. But generally, if your score is below 15%, you are safe. Still, we highly recommend aiming for below 10%, just to be sure. Third on our list, we have Unicheck. They are a cloud-based plagiarism checker used by more than 550 institutions and over 1 million users worldwide. Unicheck implements an algorithm to check your paper for plagiarism within seconds, highlighting the duplicated sections with colors. And what's great about them is that they keep your paper's formatting the same. The downside is that you have to pay to use it, but they charge you depending on the number of pages you need to get revised. Here you can see Unicheck's pricing list. Coming up, we have Plagramme. Just like Unicheck, they highlight the plagiarist content in colors for you to fix them immediately. They also correct errors like inappropriate citations in your document to help you create original content more easily. You also have to pay for this checker, but they are cheaper. One credit costs 35 cents, which is enough to check a one-page paper with approximately 250 words of text. The good news is that if you are a student, you can also get a free account with partial functionality, which is enough to access their plagiarism tool without paying extra. Finally, we have PlagTracker. They help teachers, students, and content creators detect all forms of plagiarism. The best about them is that they are an online website, meaning you don't have to download anything and that you can use it for free. PlagTracker uses a sophisticated algorithm to compare your paper with an extensive academic database of websites and other online sources. Then you get a report where you can see all the sources, links and connections to any plagiarized material in your paper. There is a $15 premium version, but the main difference is that this way you can check larger files and upload your docs files directly. But aside from that, you can use its plagiarism checker software for free. That's all for today. Like and subscribe to our channel and share us with your friends so they can write without any plagiarism content too. Also, leave us in the comments if you have any questions regarding these checkers or share what you do to avoid plagiarism. Thanks for watching and we'll see you next time. If you are looking for more writing tips, learn the best hacks to write your argumentative essay, or check out which are the best websites and apps for college students like you.